Hey guys, welcome to this wonderful channel called Real Divyne. In this episode, we are trying Pacifica Cosmic Clay Mask, and as you can see, I have it on right now. I hope you guys are having a great day. You're staying safe with your families and everything. Please do not forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy this video, if you enjoy me. Hopefully you do. If you don't, then
maximum effort. Hear the music.
before applying the mask, I went ahead and washed my face with my African black soap that I got on Etsy. You can go ahead and click down below to get that. It's really good. I love her products. She has amazing natural products. I went ahead and washed my face with that, so I'm starting with a clean, fresh face, as we always do with face masks. Everything that I'm doing right now is definitely what the direction says. Apply to skin, leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, rinse well with damp cloth, and then follow with a moisturizer. The moisturizer I will be using is my turmeric paste because I love it and it brightens the skin, brightens any dark spots. So I highly recommend it. You guys can go ahead and click down below for that. Then I went ahead and started applying a thin layer. So you guys watch me apply this on my face. I'm going to go ahead and read what the packaging says. It is 100% vegan, cruelty-free. Your skin gets dirty and then it looks less vibrant and alive. Bring it back to cleansing your pores and getting the muck out. And on the front, that's what it said on the back. On the front, it says Pacifica Cosmic Clay Face Mask. Deeply cleanse and reincarnate skin balance. And it has hemp and orange oil in it. All skin types, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, as I already said. 3 to 4 uses per pouch. See, exactly, it's not supposed to be used in one setting, so that's why I put such a thin layer. Every true beauty knows it's what's on the inside that matters. Formulated without parabens, phosphates, or petroleum. That's great. Now we know that we're not putting anything bad on our faces while we are using this. I just finished applying the mask and it was so great. While I was applying it, it was super cooling. It had that tingly feeling. If you ever use Biore, it had that tingly feeling right there. It was so nice. I loved it. And once it dried, as you know, since it's a clay mask, it's nice and still, which I'm pretty okay with because it's a clay mask. So far, I'm really liking this mask. I'm going to rinse it off soon after 10 to 15 minutes. Probably a little longer if I'm busy doing other things because I'm about to make some lunch. But it definitely is good so far. You guys, I'm done rinsing off my face and my face is glowing right now. I freaking love this mask. And you know what? I thought that nothing could beat Shea Moisture's clay mask, but obviously I stand corrected. This mask is the bomb. I'm glowing right now and flawless, like flawless. Especially since my face broke out after I tried to use Fenty Skin, so that just was horrible, and using this mask is definitely helping, especially like using my natural skincare routine. You can go ahead and click down below on her Etsy page that I get all my skincare from. That's how I keep my skin so clear. But I love this mask. I highly recommend it, especially because you can get more than one use out of it, and the fact that they give you a twist top is awesome. You don't get that with Shea Moisture's mask. You can use it more than once, but you don't get one of these, which is great. You don't have to worry about putting it in a Ziploc bag or anything. I love this. I think you guys should definitely invest in it. Thank you so much for tuning in to Real Divyne. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and got something out of this. I know I definitely did. I will use this more and more. It's one of my favorites now. I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed day because you guys are all beautiful people. And please do not forget to like and subscribe and comment anything down below if you like. Mwah.